Today I am reviewing the Vitamix 5200 blender. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the build quality and performance. The Vitamix 5200 is powered by a 1,380 watt motor. That's commercial-grade strength-packed into a sleek countertop design. What does that mean for you? It means you can throw in the toughest ingredients, frozen fruits, ice, raw carrots, nuts, and even grains, and the 5200 handles them without breaking a sweat. The hardened, aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are engineered to last, delivering consistent, high-quality results from the first blend to the 100th. Now let's talk about control and precision. One of the standout features of the Vitamix 5200 is its variable speed control. With a simple turn of the dial, you can adjust the speed at any point during your blend. This level of control is perfect for creating everything from silky smoothies to chunky salsas. Unlike blenders that offer only preset speeds or pulse buttons, the 5200 gives you full control over texture and consistency. The container is also thoughtfully designed. It comes with a 64-ounce BPA-free Tridan container, ideal for making both small and large batches. Whether you're prepping a single serving or making soup for the family, this container has you covered. The tall, narrow shape helps ingredients get pulled toward the blades, ensuring everything gets blended evenly and efficiently. And speaking of soup, yes, the Vitamix 5200 actually makes hot soup without a stove. Thanks to the high-speed motor, the blades generate enough friction heat to bring cold ingredients to a steaming hot temperature in just about 6 minutes. That's right, start with cold vegetables and end up with hot, ready-to-serve soup, all in one container. Another big win for the Vitamix 5200, cleaning is a breeze. While the container itself isn't dishwasher safe, it is self-cleaning. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, run it on high for 30 to 60 seconds, and the blender cleans itself. No disassembly required. It's quick, easy, and keeps your blender ready for its next task. The design is also worth a mention. The black finish looks sleek and professional, and it fits comfortably on most countertops at just over 20 inches tall. It's solid, weighing around 10.6 pounds, so it doesn't slide around while in use. It feels stable, safe, and powerful. Now let's talk about reliability. One of the most reassuring things about the Vitamix 5200 is its 7-year full warranty. That's right, 7 years of peace of mind. You're investing in a product that's built to last, and Vitamix stands by their craftsmanship. And with thousands of glowing reviews, over 7,800 customers giving it a 4.4-star rating, this blender has a proven track record of performance and satisfaction. Another bonus is the included classic tamper. This tool helps you push down thick or stubborn ingredients without stopping the blender, keeping your workflow smooth and consistent. To sum it all up, the Vitamix 5200 blender isn't just a kitchen appliance. It's a culinary powerhouse. From smoothies and soups to nut butters and sauces, it delivers professional-grade results with every use. It's durable, versatile, easy to clean, and backed by one of the best warranties in the business. If you're ready to invest in a blender that can truly do it all and do it well for years to come, the Vitamix 5200 is a no-brainer. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.